Hi guys, welcome to Diwali vlog.
हैप्पी दिवाली। अब ठीक था? फिर कैसे बोलूं? हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली। You too. Bye. Egg sandwich or egg bun with spinach, and then this is the reason why I actually ordered from this place. I love their cinnamon bun, so flaky, it is so yummy. So this is my breakfast for today.
It's going to train its way.
It is such a gloomy weather that I was feeling so lazy at home. I was not feeling like doing anything, so I got up and I thought I'd go to swimming, and probably I'll be motivated to do more stuff. It is around 7 something. I just had my dinner and I don't know, but it's been raining since morning. Not raining but drizzling, and the weather is so horrible from past few weeks that this time on Diwali it just doesn't feel like Diwali at all. Like I don't feel like doing anything. I'm like just don't want to. I just want to sleep and I want the sun. But anyways. Okay, so we've got this, another one, these which I hardly use. I've also got my rangolis. I don't think anything is left in this, only few colors, it's almost empty. And then we've also got these ones, Diwali stencils. Not bad. Good morning guys, it is Diwali morning and it is raining today. Wow, what a Diwali morning. It's 9:15 right now. I was supposed to get up at 8, but then so of course we're starting Diwali day with some list making. I have got my iPad here with Diwali 25 on the top, and I'm going to make the list of things that we need to do today because otherwise I'll forget. I think a lot of cleaning we've already done, but while I make this list, you go and watch what I shopped and I'll catch you after that. this ready here along with timings so that I strictly follow through and I'm able to do all the things for today. But for now, let's go out in this amazing weather and get some flour. Change into beautiful suit. So I'm making some chai because the weather calls for it. So I'm gonna have some masala, adrak chai, and then we'll get back to work. I was thinking last night that in this hustle of achieving new things and accomplishing more success, we somehow just forget that once upon a time this was exactly the dream. It suddenly occurred to me like how I'm cribbing about the weather, how I'm cribbing about everything, but once upon a time when I was probably 15, 16, living this life, celebrating Diwali with my husband and decorating my home the way I want was exactly what my dreams were made of. Yeah, maybe that's my lesson for Diwali then. Cheers! Corn flour in this. Now we have to knead this with this portion of our pan. The rasmalai is actually very simple to make. I used to think that it's very complicated, but now I've been making it from last 3 years on Diwali. Let's make small balls out of this. Ready! Now this will go into fridge to chill for a few hours. Alright, now it's time to make rangoli or some decoration for this area. This is usually my main Diwali area. So let's think what we can do. I have few stencils and then we can use flour that we bought in the morning. This one, on the other hand, is horrible, so we'll have to fix this. Let's try with these. Do a little dusting of my room which was left to do. Instead of this burgundy leaves, I can put these grass thing that I got from the park in the morning. This looks like a jharu behind it. I love this board and I got this from Brighton. These are Bumble glasses. Why I have them? Well, someday I'll tell you the story. Now let's clean this area. Because it's near the window, it always gathers a lot of dust. If you've seen my reset video of 2024, then you'll remember this vision board that I created. And I love scrapbooking, and this is something I started, but I haven't completed it. I've stuck all my Insta camera pictures. It captures moments when I was planning for visa for London. So it has a picture of me when we went to Bombay. We actually went to Delhi to get our visa done. So we stayed in a hotel, we went to have a coffee somewhere. It also has a picture of my first Diwali with my in-laws. And this is my vision board specifically for YouTube. I have not yet manifested this into reality, but I am damn sure that I'm on the way to it. We're gonna keep it here. candles in that bowl, in all these bowls.
It is 4:30 right now and we've just made our Diwali lunch. It's basically late lunch but it's fine because it's Diwali. And let me quickly show you. This yummy Diwali plate. Some chole, some puri, some aloo sabzi, some neembu achar, onion, and then to digest it all, some buttermilk. One way to start. Let's dig in. I think this corner is almost ready. This is also almost ready. So I had a lot of these empty glass jars. So I've just added some flour in these. And then because this was looking a little bit empty, so I've added these two bowls. Now I'm going to clean my mandir. It's around 5:27 right now. So let's target that by 6 we get done with everything and we're ready to change. And we are ready. I'm wearing this beautiful sari that my husband gifted me long time back and some jhumkas. Let me quickly show you. Okay, let's go and put this.
Play Lakshmi Auntie.
So before Diwali start, Diwali का दिवाला निकल गया ना. I was really excited about it, but that's life.